Okay, so just to give you an idea of the prep that I gotta do here, obviously I don't want to overspray that glass. So the best way is to let them not fight and poly the whole way is a 24-inch cardboard extension, super quick, super fast. Drape the sheet over top, wrap the beams. I like to do around openings when we have to protect floors, cardboard with red marking tape. Now to give you an idea of where the prep was tedious. So where we have the PSL in framing, or the LSL rather, I was able to staple and wrap those with narrow strips of poly, no big deal. When it came to the inside of the I-beams, we had to tape and wrap around the flanges, wrap around the nuts, protect that white steel and keep it white. Windows, easy peasy. Doors, easy peasy. And then same thing, we drape a curtain. That's the projected danger zone, so as long as I don't have any wild shots, then that glass will be safe. So stay tuned. This is all gonna be purple in about 6 hours.